Want to sync your Outlook with Google Calendar? It gives you access to your schedule anywhere, helps manage events, and lets you view your calendar on your phone. Let's explore the benefits. Number 1. A common way to transfer calendars from Outlook to Google. Step 1. Log into Outlook and select the calendar. Step 2. Click File, Save Calendar. Step 3. Name the calendar and review details. Step 4. Adjust date range and detail if needed. Step 5. Click OK and Save to store it. When you're done exporting your Outlook calendars, you can go on to import them to Google Calendar. Step 1. Sign into your Google Calendar and continue tapping on Menu Settings. Then go to Import Export. Step 2. Choose the option Select File from your computer and then select the folder containing the calendars exported from Outlook and open it by clicking Open. Finally, click Import to commence. Number 2. Use Gmail to complete the Outlook to Google Calendar sync. Step 1. In Outlook, click Home, Publish Online. Step 2. Set to Public and click Start Publishing. Step 3. Copy the link, go to Google Calendar, and click Add by URL. Step 4. Paste the link and click Add Calendar. Number 3. Sync Outlook Calendar to Google Calendar through apps. 1. Calendar Sync Plus. This app syncs your Outlook and Google Calendars, reflecting changes made on either platform. It supports multiple Outlook versions and calendars for seamless synchronization. 2. Outlook Google Calendar Sync. Other than giving you a secure two-way sync, the app Outlook Google Calendar Sync allows you to access your calendar using any device. And this application supports all versions of Outlook, from Outlook 2003 to Outlook 2016 64-bit. 3. Calendar Sync for Outlook and Google Calendar. This application also supports two-way synchronization and is considerably one of the most reliable apps. You can combine your events and even make them private if you wish. You can also edit your events by adding or deleting them.